My name is Colin Farley. I'm an aircraft maintenance engineer for Aer Lingus. I did 3 years in DIT in Bolton Street doing mechanical engineering. Initially, apprenticeship wasn't shown as an option in school because there was a bit of a stigma behind it. So everybody focused on going to college. Looking back now, I wish I had started this earlier because it's of huge interest to me and proved to be a better career path. An apprenticeship can be a better course to follow, particularly due to the amount of practical work you get to do. For someone who enjoys hands-on experience as opposed to theoretical learning, it would be a far better career option to get into an apprenticeship.
I was an apprentice originally, yes, in the avionic discipline, and later on I had the opportunity to train in the airframe and power plant discipline. I immediately found it was a fascinating career, and it's something that presents opportunity as you progress all the way through. There is a lot of demand within the industry for the qualification and the skill set that aircraft engineers develop. I think that's a phenomenon, particularly within Ireland, where the focus is on going to college for third level, and there isn't anything like the emphasis that's required to bring to the attention the merits of apprenticeship schemes for people who are coming out of school.